Hello guys, here's a short tip for breakout trading and improving the risk-reward ratio. I will explain this technique by a simple example for Forex. So please have a look at the disclaimer and then let's go directly to the chart. It is for the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I have 3 exponential moving averages added to the chart, the 8, the 20 and the 200. Indicators like these are not needed but useful to identify the trend. And as you can see, the price is currently going down. In the end, we can see lower highs coming down to a level of resistance where we have all these wicks. So what I'm looking for is a break through this level, but before I want to see where I can take profit if the price is going down as I expect. So I'm looking for a significant level below where the price had been already, this one here. And this is where I define my take profit. Okay, so we have this zone here, when price is coming down into it, where we can make profits. I'm in the replay mode now. And I'm stepping forward to see what is going on next, and here we are breaking into the zone. So my assumption was right, the price is going down, and the simplest way to trade this, but not the most profitable, is to take a short trade right at the closing price of the breaking candle. I set the stop loss to the high of this candle and the take profit to the price level that we identified before. Okay, so I continue the replay and you see this trade is successful. Which is nice, but you see the problem. The problem is that we have a quite low risk to reward ratio. It is about 1 to 1.2 and these are not ratios that I'm going for. So there has to be a better way to trade this, and the most common one is to add a limit order at the trend line because we expect the price to retest this level. We set the stop loss and the take profit as before. And you see the ratio is increasing almost 4 times. The only problem here is there is no retest, and this means we don't get the trade. But now let me show you a method how to catch the trade anyway with the great risk to reward ratio. So go back here in the replay before the candle is breaking, and then I go to a lower time frame. I choose 3 minutes. Now you see we have smaller candles, so I zoom in a bit, and then I continue the replay till we have a real break into the zone by a bearish candle. I want to see the price closing below the level that we defined. And here we have it. This is the candle that is breaking. I have to go back 1 candle in the replay. And again I go short at the closing price of this candle. Set the stop loss to the candle's high and the target price, the take profit, as before. And here you can see we have a very good risk to reward ratio of about 1 to 4.5, and this is because we can enter earlier into the trade on this time frame. Let's play it out just for fun, but we already know the result. Why does it work? Well, because the candlestick that is breaking is telling a story. It is a strong bearish candle, but it is just a tiny part of the whole move. So we can take larger profits then. Does it always work? Of course not. So we have to backtest this. I will do this for you on a pair like the Euro USD and come back to you with the results. And now a small bonus and a kind of preview to the next video, in which I show you how to enter trades like this when you spot a certain candlestick pattern. Let's assume that you missed this breakout candle and you still want to enter the trade. What you can see here is a bearish engulfing pattern where the bearish candle is engulfing the whole bullish candle, the green one, and the price is pushing more to the downside. Then we can regard this as an order block, and I expect the price to come back to the open of the green candle, and the stop loss I can set pretty tight to the high of this candle. Then I wait for the price to come back to this zone, to this rectangle, and then I go short. You can also work with the limit order here, set the stop loss to the high of the candle and the take profit as before. And now have a look at the risk to reward ratio. We can make a 6R trade here because of this tight stop loss, just by knowing this technique to enter trades. As I said, I will go more into the details about this in the next video. By the way, if you like to use this indicator that I use in this tutorial or other indicators for TradingView, you can get these on my TradingView account. The link is added to the description below. All the indicators are for free. So guys, this was my first tutorial on this channel. I really hope you like it. Please add your feedback, questions, ideas to the comments, and I will try to answer these as soon and best as I can. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the trading guide.